It's a crazy ass bird. Look at it. It's attacking my cat.
Can you see it?
It just went up this direction. See it? It's on top of that house. There's the cat.
You just can't move. There you go.
Uh-oh, it's coming towards you.
Gonna fly on that ass. Ah, what the fuck? That's too cool, dude. That's alright. The cat is scared of the bird. So he's anxious. He's wanting it.
There it goes.
Yeah. He is not messing with that cat, is he? How does he fly with those heavyweight balls of his?
Waiting.
How does he fly with those balls of his? Like brass balls, man, for a bird. Ooh, redbird's even getting in on it. You see that shit?
Hell yeah.
Kitty, kitty, kitty! Kitty, 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 kitty! There he is. Kitty, 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 kitty!
There's the cat.
Here he goes. I'm provoking the
Uh-oh.
cat. Kitty, 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 kitty!
He's tripping
Kitty,
out.
kitty, kitty! Fuck. Well, it's funny, it's on videos or something. Get that check, too. You want to split it with me? Where hear you say it. Yeah.
Where's it at?
Kitty, 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 kitty!
Uh-oh. It's on the force with him. Oh, shit. It's getting him. It's right up there. There's the cat. Oh, there's the cat. The scared pussycat.
Yeah, he's terrified of this bird. Well, you got it recorded and shit. Huh?
Yeah.
Cool.